Your bank tells you they are here to help you. They run ads about community, about partnership, about being on your side. But here is what they never tell you. Your bank treats you completely differently depending on how much money you have. And I do not mean slightly differently. I mean a different product, a different person, a different set of rules, a completely different financial universe. And the less money you have, the more they charge you. My name is the Hidden Rich Guy, and today I am going to show you exactly how banks treat you at every level, from $0 all the way to $1 million. Most people think a bank account is a bank account. You put money in, you take money out, the bank holds it safely. Everyone gets the same service. That is completely wrong. Banks segment their customers into tiers. Every single bank does this. And at each tier the rules change. The fees change. The interest rates change. The people you talk to change. The opportunities available to you change. The cruelest part of this system is that the people who need the most help, the people with the least money, pay the most in fees. And the people who need no help at all, the people with the most money, pay nothing and get everything for free. Let me walk you through exactly what happens at each level. $0 to $1,000. This is where the bank makes the most money off you. Overdraft fees average $35 per transaction. Monthly maintenance fees between $12 and $15. Minimum balance fees, ATM fees, wire transfer fees. The average American paying bank fees at this level loses $240 per year. Just in fees, on an account with almost nothing in it, the bank is charging you for being poor. $1,000 to $10,000. Fees start to reduce. You can usually waive the monthly maintenance fee by keeping a minimum balance, but your savings account is earning 0.01% interest. That is $1 per year on $10,000. Meanwhile, the bank is lending your money out at 7, 8, 9% interest. They are making hundreds of dollars off your money. You are getting $1, $10,000 to $100,000. Now you start to matter to the bank. A real human banker gets assigned to your account. You get access to relationship pricing, slightly better rates on loans and mortgages. High-yield savings accounts become available at around 4 to 5%. You get fee waivers automatically. You can call a direct number instead of sitting in a phone queue for 45 minutes. $100,000 to $1 million. This is where the bank's entire attitude changes. You get a dedicated private banker. They call you. They remember your name. They proactively offer you investment products, better mortgage rates, business banking solutions. Minimum balance fees do not exist at this level. The bank starts paying you through better rates, cashback, travel rewards, concierge services. They want to keep your money, and they will bend over backwards to do it. $1 million and above. Private banking. Wealth management. A team, not just one person assigned exclusively to your finances. Access to investment deals regular customers never see. Estate planning, tax optimization strategies. The bank at this level is essentially your personal finance department, and it costs you nothing. In fact, they pay you to be their client through preferential rates on everything. So what do you actually do with this information? 3 things. First, stop letting the bank charge you fees right now. If you are paying a monthly maintenance fee, a minimum balance fee, or overdraft fees, switch today. Online banks like Ally, Marcus, and SoFi charge 0 monthly fees and offer 4 to 5% on savings accounts. You do not need to be rich to stop paying fees, you just need to switch. Second, understand that your savings account at a big bank is robbery. 0.01% interest while inflation runs at 3% means your money is losing value every single year it sits there. Move your emergency fund to a high-yield savings account immediately. The same $10,000 earning 0.01% gives you $1 per year. At 4.5% it gives you $450 per year. Same money, same effort. $449 more. Third, use this knowledge as motivation. The system is designed to reward people who have already built wealth. That is not fair, but it is real. Every dollar you save, every dollar you invest, every dollar you move up that ladder changes how the entire financial system treats you. You are not just building wealth for retirement, you are building access, you are building leverage, you are building a different relationship with money itself. The bank is not your partner, it is a business. And right now it is using your money to make itself rich while charging you for the privilege. The rules of banking are not the same for everyone. They never were. The wealthy figured this out a long time ago and used it to get wealthier. Now you know exactly how the system works and exactly how to stop letting it work against you. Switch to a high-yield savings account this week. Stop paying fees and start building the kind of balance that makes the bank work for you instead of the other way around. My name is the Hidden Rich Guy. I will see you in the next one.